What's up YouTube, I am JoeyJ25. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a webcam. As you guys can see, I'm talking to you through a webcam. Well, not talking to you through a webcam, but I am being shown through a webcam. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily install a webcam to your PC and display it in your Streamlabs OBS. So if you guys enjoy this quick, simple tutorial, if you guys do enjoy the video, consider smashing that like button. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys drop a sub. This would be really appreciated, and this will let me know that you guys enjoy the content and want more like it. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, first things first, guys, is pretty simple. All you guys want to do, once you have your webcam obviously plugged into your PC, you guys should know how to do that. I mean, just get the USB, plug it into your USB port. You guys will be good. Once you do that, all you guys want to do is click plus. Now, I'm going to have to hide my webcam for a bit just because to show you guys what I do. So, bye. There's my little background, by the way. So, we're going to do plus. We're going to go to webcam. I just saw it before. I'm looking right at it, guys, by the way. I'm just kidding right here. Video capture device. Webcam, there it is. You're going to add new source instead, though. Add new source. And you're going to do USB video device, or whatever device is called. It depends on what your device is called, by the way. So, yeah, do that. Get your device in. Get your device in, you'll be good. I'm going to delete that, but yeah. Get your device in, okay? And then you should have your webcam. Now, you're able to adjust the size of the webcam and all that stuff. If your webcam's too big, you're also able to crop it with the Alt. If you guys remember my last video, you could hold Alt and you could, Alt it and everything like that. I'm not going to do that because it's in a perfect spot right now. But yeah, you can also, once you get everything too, you can also mess around with the settings. So let's go to filters, edit filters. This is what I use. So if I want to activate my green screen, I'm just going to plug it a little bit darker. Yep, darker. Oh my gosh, there I am. I mean, sheesh. Oh no, that's not good, guys. Not good. Oh gosh, that's not good. 500. You guys can see how that looks. It doesn't look too good. That's why I don't, use my, green screen right now. But yeah. But that's really it. That's how you get the webcam working, guys. It's pretty simple. Just plug it in, plus sign. What I just said, a video capture device. Those are the filters I use, but I obviously don't want to use my green screen because it's blurry, because it's getting dark out. So, these are settings that I use. You can copy them if you guys want. If you guys don't know how to do green screen, I'll put a link. So you can get like a background. If you guys don't know how to get a background, I'll put a link right now. But you guys can click on that video to learn how to get a background on your green screen. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today's quick little video on how to get a webcam in your streams. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Other than that, see you guys next one. Peace.